Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the important lecture of civil engineering. In this lecture, we have covered all the important full forms of civil engineering. You can cover this lecture from the reinforced cement concrete playlist. These are the important full forms regarding the flexible payment. I have already covered the flexible payment in detail. You can go through the flexible payment important playlist and cover all the lecture of flexible payment. Important full forms are related to project management. So a project engineer or a site engineer must know all these full forms before working at the site or any project. Already covered the project management and planning in detail, so you can go through the CPM and PERT playlist and cover all these lectures. Are the important full forms related to the tenders, so you have to know all these full forms to work on a tender. Next full forms are related to the basic civil engineering, so you have to know all these full form as a civil engineer, and then related to the civil softwares and related to the loading. You can cover this lecture from the playlist, and if you find this lecture useful, then you can appreciate the effort by like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.